Which of the following is the correct derivative for the function f of x is equal to 2 times the absolute value of 2x minus 8 plus 1? Well, first let's start off by rewriting f of x as the two pieces, or as the piecewise function. So that's going to be 2 times 2x minus 8 plus 1 for x values greater than, and in order to figure that out, we need to set the inside of the absolute value equal to 0. So 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, so x will end up being 4. So that tells us that this is definitely true for x values greater than 4. And now we have to determine what the function is for x values less than or equal to 4. And that's going to be the negative of what's inside of here. So we can keep the 2 the same, but then change the inside to be negative 2x plus 8, and then plus 1. So this is how we can write our absolute value function. Before we determine the correct derivative, let's actually simplify f of x and rewrite it without all the extra sets of parentheses in there. So we'll have negative 4x plus 16 plus 1, so that's plus 17 for x values less than or equal to 4. And then if we distribute the 2 through here, we'll have 4x minus 16 plus 1, so minus 15 for x values greater than 4. And now we can take the derivative. So f prime of x is going to be negative 4 for x values less than 4. We'll see if the equal to works or not later on. And then if we take the derivative of the bottom, it'll be positive 4, x values greater than 4. Now, the top section initially was equal to 4. But in order for that to carry on and be true in the derivative, we would have to see if the derivative approaches or has the same slope from both sides. And we can clearly see that it does not. It has negative 4 from one side and positive 4 on the other. So therefore, in order to make the derivative correct, we need to exclude the x value of 4, because at that point the derivative does not exist because it has that corner. So f prime of x is equal to negative 4 for x values less than 4, and it's equal to positive 4 for x values greater than 4. That's answer choice D.